Alright, back to the Sega Outrun with sound issues. I just finished socketing and replacing ICs 85 and 91, which were 2016 RAM chips, which then I replaced with CY7C128 Ram and socketed. Actually, all of the sounds work on here. Nothing's locked on. The only one that does not work now is Voice 4. Doesn't work for some reason. I don't know. But I would consider the other ones working, to be a success. Nothing's locked on here. See, nothing hits when I hit that button. Voice 3 and all the other stuff works. So we will call that a win for the time being. The only thing I got left to do is try to fix the edge of that monitor and figure out why the light up there isn't working. But anyways, thanks a lot, Clav. Appreciate it. Bye.